Good morning children. Now we are going to study English subject. English. English subject. Previous class, in the previous class itself we saw Valli and Chittu. They are going in the park and they are seeing what are all the things they saw. What are all the things they saw children? Here see. Last class I told you, no, tank, swing, girl bench, bat, boys, all are playing in the park. One boy is playing with a dog, one girl is flying a kite. And then one boy is playing a marble. These are all things we saw in the previous class. Now, next one poem we saw, no, what that poem? Clap your hands. Have you all studied children that poem? That song, clap your hands, stamp your feet, skip and run and turn around. That song you studied children in last class. I wrote in the board, no. Have you all copied? Next, clap your hands, stamp your feet, skip and run and turn around. Next para, clap your hands, stamp your feet, hop and jump and turn about. Next, clap your hands, stamp your feet, bend and stretch and play a game. This song we studied in the previous class. Now, come let us play. What? Come let us play. Play means what? Playing the games. விளையாடுறது. Play என்னது? விளையாடுறது. Here some animals are playing. Okay, first. The dogs are playing cricket. The run wants to join. Here some animals are playing. So first dog. The dogs are playing cricket. All the dogs join together and they are playing cricket. Do you know how to play cricket? Like that they are playing cricket. The rat comes and he asks, I want to join with you. The rat wants to join in the game. May I play with you? The rat asked. May I play with you? The rat asked. But the game has started. Sorry, you are late. One rat came and asked the dog, may I play with you? But the dog, what the dog told? But sorry, the game has already started. You are late, sorry. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடுச்சு. Next, the rabbit is flying a kite. The rat wants to join. Next animal, who? Rabbit. First, dog. Dogs are, what they are playing? Cricket. Dogs are playing cricket. Who comes? Rat. He also want to join with them. But what the dog said? No, sorry, we have already started the game. Like that the dog told. Next animal, rabbit. What he is doing? Rabbit is flying a kite. Kite means, you know, kite, katadi. Rabbit is flying a kite. Then the rat came and asked rabbit. Rabbit asked what? May I fly your kite? It asked what? May I fly your kite? நானும் கூட சேர்ந்து இந்த காத்தாடியை பறக்க விட்டு விளையாடலாமா அப்படின்னு கேட்டதுக்கு, but I have only one. What the rabbit told? But I have only one kite. How both we join together and play? I am having only one kite. Like that the rabbit told. Next, monkeys are swinging on the tree. Next, what animal? Monkey. What they are playing? Swinging on the tree. Tree means what? மரம். பெரிய மரத்தில் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க? Swinging means ஊஞ்சலாடி. monkeys எல்லாம் ஊஞ்சலாடி என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க? விளையாடிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Swinging on the tree. Monkeys are swinging on the tree. The rat wants to join, but there the rat came and he also want to join with the monkeys. May I play with you? But rat cannot swing. What monkey told? Rat cannot swing. Rat ratna என்னது? எலியால என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? ஊஞ்சலாட முடியாது மரத்துல அப்படினு who told like that? Monkeys. Next, the frogs are playing hopscotch. Next, what animal? Frog. Frogs are playing hopscotch. Hopscotch means what? Hopscotch. Hopscotch means நொண்டி விளையாடுறேன்னு சொல்கிறல்ல, கட்டம் போட்டு அந்த கட்டத்தில் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, நொண்டி நொண்டி. Like that they draw the boxes and they play the game. This is called hopscotch. They draw the boxes in the floor and they play in that box. This is called hopscotch game. So who play that game? Frogs. Frogs are playing. The rat also. Here the rat came and it told, I want to join with you. May I hop with you? The rat asked. May I hop with you? No, only two can play this game. But the frog, what the frog told? No, only two can play the game, not three. Like that the frog told. Next the rat is building a sand castle. First the rat goes to dogs and he want to join with them to play cricket. But the dogs told the game has already started. No, sorry. Next rabbit. Rabbit is flying a kite. Then rat came and asked, Mom, I also want to fly a kite. Can I join with you? Then the rabbit said, I am having only one kite. How can we both fly? Like that rabbit told. Next monkeys. Monkeys are swinging in the big tree. Then the rat wants to join with them. But the monkey told rat cannot swing. Next frogs. Frogs are playing hopscotch. Then here also the rat wants to join with the frogs, and play the game. But the frogs told only two can play the game. How can three? Like that the frogs ask. Then what the rat do? Lastly the rat went alone and he started to building a sand castle. Sand castle means what? மணல் வீடு நம்ம பீச்சுக்கெல்லாம் போனால் மணல் வீடு கட்டுவோம்ல, that is called sand castle. The rat is building a sand castle. Everyone wants to join him. Here no one, dog, rabbit, monkey, frog, no one join the rat to play with them. But lastly the rat went and he built the sand castle and play there. All the animals came and they told, we want to join with him. We want to join with you. But I will play alone. Hey, look at that sand castle. Shall we join him? Then the dog said, here a rat builds a sand castle. Shall we all go and join with them? The rat invites everyone to play with him, but the rat said, yes, all come and join with me. We all join together and play in the sand castle. Like that the rat said. Playing together is always fun. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், playing together எல்லாரையும் சேர்த்து வச்சு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், விளையாடினா அது வந்து ரொம்ப fun means என்னது, மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்கும். Okay, have you all understand this story ma? Come, let us play. First dogs are what they are playing? They are playing cricket game. The rat came there and asked, may I join with you? But the dog said, the game has already started. No, sorry. Like that the dogs told. Next the rat went to rabbit. Rabbit is flying a kite. He wants to join with the rabbit and play the game. But the rabbit told? The rabbit told, I am having only one kite. How can we both play? Like that the rabbit asked. Next monkeys. Monkeys are swinging on the tree. The rat wants to join with the monkey and he also wants to swing on the tree. But the monkey told, no, only monkeys can swing. No, rat cannot swing. Next frogs. Frogs are playing hopscotch. The rat came there and he said, I want to join with you. Like that the rat said. But the frogs, what the frogs told? No, only two can play the game. How can three? Like that they asked. So the rat is alone. He went there and he went in the sand and he built a sand castle and he played there. He played alone there. The dog, rabbit, monkey, frogs, all the animals came there and asked rat, shall we all join with you? Then the rat, what the rat told? No, said the rat. No, he all come. We will join together and play. Like that the rat told. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து விளையாடினா தான் மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? எல்லாருக்கும் இந்த ஸ்டோரி புரிஞ்சுதுமா? கம் லெட் அஸ் ப்ளே. ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து என்னென்ன அனிமல்ஸ் இருக்குது? டாக்ஸ், ராபிட், monkeys, frogs. Who came and asked for all the animals? எல்லா அனிமல்ஸ் கிட்டையும் யார் வந்து பேசுறது? rat. rat ஃபஸ்ட் எங்கே போகுது? டாக்னா நாய்கிட்ட போயிட்டு என்ன சொல்லுது? நான் வந்து உங்கள் கூட சேர்ந்து விளையாடலாமா அப்படின்னு கேட்கும்போது வாட் த டாக்ஸ் டோல்டு? நோ, த கேம் ஹேஸ் ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்டார்டட். அங்கே என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க? இந்த கேம் வந்து நாங்கள் முன்னாடி இருந்தே விளையாடிட்டுருக்கோம், நீ நடுவில் வந்தினா நாங்கள் உன்னை எப்படி சேர்த்துக்கிறது? How we join with you? Like that they ask. So the rat went from the place. Next where he went? Where the rat went? To the rabbit. அடுத்தது எங்கே போகுது? அது யார்கிட்ட போகுது? rabbit. rabbitனா முயல்கிட்ட போகுது. முயல் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு? The rabbit is flying a kite. Then rat came there and asked, may I join with you? What the rabbit told? rabbit என்ன சொல்லுது? இல்லை, என்கிட்ட இருக்கிறது ஒரே ஒரு கைட்டு. அதில் நம்ம 2 பேர் எப்படி விளையாட முடியும்? how can we two? I am having only one kite. Like that rabbit told. Next, where the rat went? To the monkeys. What the monkeys are doing? In a big tree they are swinging and playing. What the rat asked? may I join with you? ஆனால் அங்கே போயிட்டு ரேட் கேட்குது, நானும் உங்கள் கூட வந்து ஊஞ்சல் ஆடி விளையாடலாமா அப்படின்னு கேட்கும்போது அங்கே இருக்கிற மங்கீஸ் என்ன சொல்லிடுச்சு? குரங்குகள். மங்கினா என்னது? குரங்குகள். அந்த குரங்கு என்ன சொல்லிச்சு? குரங்கு தான் வந்து என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? ஊஞ்சல் ஆடி விளையாட முடியும். நீ வந்து ராட்னா என்னது? எலி வந்து எப்படி ஊஞ்சல் ஆட முடியும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டுச்சு. அதனால அது என்ன பண்ணுச்சு? அங்கே இருந்தும் வந்துடுச்சு. ஃப்ரம் தட் பிளேஸ் த rat came and where the rat went? To the frog. கிட்ட போச்சு. frog what the frogs are playing? hopscotch. they are playing hopscotchனா என்னது? நொண்டி விளையாடுறது. frogs எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு? நொண்டி விளையாடிட்டு இருக்கு. அப்போ அந்த rat வந்து இந்த ஃப்ராக் கிட்ட போயிட்டு நானும் உங்கள் கூட வந்து சேர்ந்து விளையாடலாமா அப்படின்னு கேட்கும்போது அந்த ஃப்ராக் என்ன சொல்லுது? what the frog told? only 2 can play the game. how many can play the game? only 2. so how can you? like that the frog asked. only 2 can play. நம்ம 2 பேர் தான் இந்த கேமை விளையாட முடியும், 3ஆவதா நீ வந்தால் எப்படி விளையாடுறது? like that they asked. so the rat went from the place and the rat build a sand castle. மணலில் போய் உட்காந்து அது என்ன பண்ணுது? மணல் வீடு கட்டிட்டு ஜாலியாக மணல் வீடு கட்டிட்டு அது விளையாட்டு இருக்கும்போது all the animals came there. dog, rabbit, monkey, frog came there and they are asked, shall we all join with you? like that the animals are asked. what the rat answered? what the rat told? என்ன சொல்லிச்சு rat? நாங்கள்லாம் உங்க கூட சேர்ந்து விளையாடலாமான்னு கேட்கும்போது rat போ நீ வேணான்னு சொல்லிடுச்சா? நீங்கள்லாம் வேணான்னு சொல்லிடுச்சா? no. what the rat told? yes, all come, we all join together and play. let us play together. what the rat told? let us play together. எல்லாரும் ஒன்று போல சேர்ந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? விளையாடலாம் அப்படின்னு யார் சொன்னது? who told like that? rat. have you all understand children this story? yes. next, shall we write the dictation words? okay children, all of you take your note and write dictation words. first one what? rabbit. what spelling rabbit? RABBIT. rabbit. next, monkey. 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 next, third one what animal? say children. frog. What game the frogs are playing? Huh? Hopscotch. Have you remember children? Frog are playing hopscotch. Next, rabbit, monkey, frog. Next who? Dog. Dogs are playing cricket. Dogs. Next, fifth one. Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Sixth one. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Hopscotch. Hop. H-O-P. Hopscotch. S-C-O-T-C-H. Hopscotch. Eighth one. Swinging. S-W-I-N-G-I-N-G. Swinging. Ninth one. Flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Tenth one. Sand castle. S-A-N-D. Sand castle. C-A-S-T-L-E. Sand castle. 10 words. Okay children, all of you take your rough note and write. See, first one, rabbit. Say the spelling. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Second one, monkey. Say the spelling. M-O-N. Man. K-E-Y-K. Monkey. Next, third one, frogs. F-R-O-G-S. Frogs. Fourth one, dogs. D-O-G-S. Dogs. Next, cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Sixth one, kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Seventh one, hopscotch. Hopscotch means what? What I told, hopscotch. Nondi. Hopscotch means nondi vilayadrathu. H-O-P-S-C-O-T-C-H. Hop. Scotch. H-O-P. Hop. Scotch. S-C-O-T-C-H. Hopscotch. Swinging. Unjaladrathu. S-W-I-N-G-I-N-G. Swinging. Flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. Sand castle. S-A-N-D. Sand castle. C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. Sand castle. Say again children. First one what? Rabbit. Second one monkey. Third one frogs. Fourth one dogs. Fifth one cricket. Next sixth one kite. Seventh one hopscotch. Eighth one swinging. Ninth one flying. 10th one sandcastle. Okay. All take your rough note and write neatly children. Give space. Okay. Letter to letter give space. Touch the line and write neatly. Read again and again. Say the spellings and write. Then only you can remember all these words. Okay. Hopscotch are big word. So you learn the spelling. H-O-P. Hop. S-C-O-T-C-H. Scotch. Hop. Scotch. Like that you read. Okay children. All must write. All take your rough note. Write neatly children. Then only you can able to read. Otherwise you can't. Okay. Have you all understand now? Rabbit, monkey, frogs, dogs, cricket, kite, hopscotch, swinging, flying, sandcastle. From this is the dictation words. Come, let us play lesson. Okay. Let us play lesson. Have you understand children? Let us play lesson. Have you all understand? Okay. From that lesson what we learn? Playing together. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? இதெல்லாம் சேர்ந்து விளையாடணும். From this lesson we learn all play with together. எல்லாரும் நம்ம ஒற்றுமையா சேர்ந்து விளையாடணும். அந்த லெசன்ல இருந்து நம்ம கத்துக்கிட்ட பாடம். From that lesson we learned we learn one lesson. Okay. Have you all understand children? Write this one. Okay. Thank you children.